Today we're taking a look at a product called Slick by Billy Darr. This software gives you everything you need to create high converting video easily in just a few clicks. It also contains done-for-you templates. We're going to take a look at the sales page. We're going to go in and we're going to take a look at the software itself, and then I'm going to give you my honest opinion as to what I think about this product and whether or not it's something that will work for you in your business or not. Oh, and by the way, if you click the link in the description below, what you'll find is a free blueprint that will give you all the tools you need to succeed with your online marketing. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I do another video. One of the things that used to happen to me all the time as a newbie was I would see a product like this, and of course, I'd buy it. You know, he's saying all the right things on the sales page. You're one click away from getting free autopilot buyer traffic from 100 sources in 60 seconds. Who don't want to take advantage of something like that? Tap into 100 traffic sources and one click made for newbies? Oh, wow, great. Unlimited free traffic in 60 seconds, no video creation or SEO needed, 50 done-for-you templates, 0 to 3 figures a day, tutorials included, attain the laptop lifestyle, 365-day guarantee. Oh, yes, for sure, I'm definitely getting this. Get results or get paid $1,000. All of that sounds great. Now all I have to do is go and see who's offering the best bonuses, and I'm going to grab this baby. And then you buy it, right? And then you find out there's a free tool that does the exact same thing. How many times have you done this? You actually went and bought a product and then find out later on that there are free tools that do the exact same thing. And in this particular case, it actually does it better. The free tool does it better than the one that he's selling. But that's what happens when you're brand new and you're buying shiny objects and you don't know what you're doing. Now, this is your product creator. These are some of the products that he's created and products that are going to be created in the near future. This guy is very experienced at selling products. I would say that he's very knowledgeable at creating sales pages that convert, because this is a lot of work creating a product. And I would venture to say if you're experienced at creating products, you know just what to say to get people to click those buttons on that sales page. Whether or not the product works, that's where you'll have to do some kind of research on the actual creator of the product that you're buying. That's one of the ways to ensure that you're at least purchasing from a reputable product creator. But those are not some of the things that you do as a newbie when you're starting out just looking for products. You have no idea to go looking and see who the product creator is or what he's created before or things like that. Getting back to the review, let's go through the sales page. It says you're one click away from free buyer traffic. You just log in and you select from any existing done-for-you video and you hit activate for unlimited free traffic from 100 sources in 60 seconds. That's it. Those are the 3 things that you do in order to make this product work. So what it does is it just goes into your pain points. Dear frustrated newbie, do you feel the year has almost come to an end and you're still stuck? And just regular sales page jargon is what you're going to get here. So I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to take you straight into the software, and then we'll determine from there whether or not we think this is something that you should. Of course, I already know that I exposed how it felt right from the very beginning, but I'm going to go through the process because that's what you do with a review. So let's go to the software. When you go into the software, what you get is the design templates collection. And as you can see here, they've got all of the Facebook designs, and then you can click over. You got Instagram designs, the audience network rewarded video, Twitter, LinkedIn. You have Pinterest and Snapchat story, WhatsApp status, TikTok videos. If you go down to the online ads, you got the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube video, LinkedIn. They do have all of the social media templates that you'll need, which is good. You can click on the home page Any templates that you create will be stored here. Click on blogs and you can write an awesome blog. And here they give you all the tools you need to write a blog. And then you can insert the template associated with the blog that you want to use. And then the next option is your social blast. And here we are in the social blast, and this is how you're going to get your traffic. You're going to go to each one of these social accounts, but of course you'll have to have an account at each one of these platforms. And then you have to have an audience in each one of the platforms. So that means you're going to have to build an audience in each one of these platforms in order to have a response to anything that you should decide to blast on social media. Because otherwise you can blast all day long, and if nobody knows you or have seen you or have heard of you, then you won't get a response. Let's go back to the templates. Let's pick a design and see how it works. So as you can see, once I clicked on it, it took me to the editor, which will allow me to design this however I see fit. So some of the things that I can do are right here on the left hand side. As you can see, designs, videos, images, text, elements, filters, audio. It's a really nice editor for the purpose that it was created. So you can go in and you can make some changes. If you want to change videos, you would click here, and then you would have to type in a particular term, but it would go into its inventory and find something related to whatever it is that you wanted. If you click it, continue, replace, your canvas is updated now. Okay. Now I have a picture of the video. I can actually pause it. Now if I want to change some text, I just simply go down to text, click on it, pick the text I want, and here you see it appears right in the image itself, and I can move it around. If I want to eliminate some text, I would just simply go here. On the right side, you can see where I can actually manipulate this text. There's a lot you can do with this. You can go down and you can add elements. If I click here, I can grab an element. So I would double click it, and that element would pop up in the image itself, and you can move it around. You can make it larger, smaller. So there's a lot of nice things you can do with this editor. I just want to take you back over to Canva. I just want to quickly show you how you can get the same results using this platform. This is in my home page under recommended for you. And right here it says social media. And if you keep going across, you'll see document prints and video. Now, if you click video, now you can come down and you can get YouTube intro, videos, animated social media, YouTube video ads, mobile video, animate your story, Facebook video, animated Facebook covers, social feed, video ad. Let's say we wanted to use this print because this is what we're selling. Now we want to go to videos. They're going to automatically give you some videos to work with right from the very beginning. But of course, if you got a particular term you want to put in, you go ahead and put the term in there, and then they'll give you videos that will work with those terms. And as you can see here, they actually give you the length of time of the videos themselves. So anyway, let's say I wanted to choose this one. Then I can, once I got the video inserted, then I can manipulate the video as I see fit. But as you can see, you have a lot more choices here. So we'll go back to the home page, and you can do all of that inside of social media also. So if you were to click social media, then it would give you all of the different media options: Instagram stories, TikTok, Facebook posts, Facebook covers. You click across YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook. Of course, all of the popular social platforms, not none of the 100 that's on that other site there, that social media platforms that none of us have ever heard of, that'll never be used. But anyway, if you were to click one of these, let's say the YouTube channel art, click on there and you get the same options. You get the option to click the template of your choice, and you can go down to videos and you can add video. Just slide it over, make it the size that you want, move it around, make it longer. Now you got the same thing that you had over there. And of course, you could do a much better job, I'm sure, but you get the general idea. Just wanted to share that with you. This is so much more robust for free. And this is free to use. Canva, I'll have a link in the description below for you. And these are your upsells. Upsell 1 is the unlimited edition for $39. That's the unlimited edition of Slick. Has multi-templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. Upsell 2, Slick, Autopilot Edition, $39. The Traffic Edition of Slick lets your customers unlock the additional traffic features for even more free viral traffic. Upsell 3 is the Done For You Edition for $197, and this upgrade, our team aims to deliver Done For You traffic and sales for your customers. Upsell 4, 50 Done For You Templates Edition, $39. The 100K Funnel Edition lets your customers instantly import a funnel template that has done over $100,000 in sales for us personally. And Upsell 5, the ATM Edition, $197. Your customers experience a very individual custom funnel setup experience. Now we actually set up a funnel for your customers on their hosting with their accounts so they can build a list and make money. Not only is the funnel completely set up for them, but we also include autoresponder integration, squeeze page setups, follow-up emails, added and additional traffic tutorials. In that review, I hope I covered the information that you needed to help make a decision. But in the meantime, as far as my personal opinion is concerned, of course you know that I would not recommend a product like this. The sad part about this whole thing is that these product creators, they know that seasoned marketers are not going to go for products like this. So, of course, they're geared to the newbies, which is unfortunate because the first thing that happens is that you start thinking that affiliate marketing is a scam because you buy the product, you find out it don't work, and you just get this negative feeling about it. But I'm here to tell you that internet marketing works. There are honest marketers out here, and I want to make sure you don't get caught up in that shiny object syndrome. If you click that link in the description below, what you'll get is access to a free blueprint that will give you all the information you need so you don't have to worry about making these crazy decisions that I made when I first started out. I hope that helps you. I hope this video was useful for you, and you have a nice day.